Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. The money supply for MQ on a worldwide scale is going boom. The printing press is unleashing a deluge of trillions of dollars onto the market. However, the true direction of liquidity is unclear. Authorities at the central bank are making changes. Organizations are taking a stance. A new era of digital technology is emerging. XRP, a market cap of $1 trillion during current bull cycle, I believe so. Increasing utility rates. Integrating banking systems is becoming more common. Everything is coming together, the tracks are being constructed, and soon there will be regulatory certainty. We have a lot of ground to cover in this episode before Moon, so they will cut it even more. Take it easy. Why don't we hop into a Bitcoin? $84,280. As of right now, it has gained 1% over the previous day. Ethereum is currently up 1.44% against the dollar, TN, and USDC, and it's coming in at its dollar pegs. XRP had a little rally last night, but it failed to reach our first area of resistance at 250. There has been some retracement since this morning, so we'll have to see what the day brings. With a total market cap of $2.43 billion, $2,726 billion. Presenting something that is incredibly awesome. Putting it out there is quite intriguing. Look at the fully diluted valuation. This is the total market cap of a cryptocurrency, if all of its possible tokens were in circulation. How do you get to the current price times the total? I never look at coin market cap, but we're going to look at it today. Where is the supply? So, XRP is now more valuable than Ethereum. What do you think? $243,700,000 US. No, $240,730,000,000, with $232,568,000,000 coming from ETH. I mean, what's the point of doing nothing more than keeping an eye on FDV? I don't think so, but it's fun to say nevertheless. Publish this if you are a user-to-user link, according to James's rule. Anyone who has ever invested in the platform should check their mailbox this morning. It's likely that they sent an email outlining their plans for the future. You are aware that they are enduring a great deal of pressure, however. I will not discuss this further as I had no involvement. From what I can tell from the ongoing court records, it appears that a new leadership team is planning to remove a lot of people from their positions. I don't know what else is going on behind the scenes, though. Actions taken and inactions against them. What I intend to do is comment on it, not speak about it. Until now, I had never bought anything from them. You should keep yourself informed of any developments and follow all instructions to the letter if you have used a link to buy pre-shares of anything. After all, the last thing you want to do is lose money. I need this. Oh, the beloved by all Maxi, Tom Lee, and Mr. Litecoin. Bitcoin, he predicts, will outperform all other assets this year. Its performance will surpass that of gold. Oh, I see. It's intriguing that Tom Lee says this because when we discuss the top performing asset this year, what do you think will happen? Do you think Bitcoin will go up by 3 times its current value, which you estimate at about $240,000, or $225,000 if we're being really precise? Or do you think XRP will go up by 3 times its current value, which we estimate at about $7.50? Plus, there are a plethora of other assets available, aren't there? The worldwide MQ money supply is fascinating if you haven't been paying attention. For Bitcoin, this has been the most reliable indicator of its future direction. All the money in circulation around the world, measured in millimeters squared. Money supply, M2, contains assets with a high degree of liquidity, such as physical cash, checking accounts, and demand deposits, assets with a lower degree of liquidity, such as savings accounts and time deposits, make up near money. These money market funds are apparent. To what extent does the global M2 matter? Well, it's not hard at all to understand how a rise in the money supply, particularly from central banks, can lead investors into more tangible assets like Bitcoin, gold, and real estate, as well as how it affects the markets and cryptocurrency. Appreciate you taking the time to view my video. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.